Let's look at a variety of bridge configuration options for the Kinisi Max harness. Here we have the adjustable bridge option with the bone hardware on this side for the sewn terminations and the bridge adjuster to adjust the rope. And here is a knotted bridge using the knot blocker on both sides. Each configuration may also be set up using a single bridge. Here is the sewn bridge option with a bone on either end. A webbing bridge is also an option using the bone on either side. Or if you're a very special person, you can use an adjuster on each side.